Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make Facebook account completely private for you. So let's get started. To do this, you have a good internet speed and connect with the good internet, and let's get started. Open up your Facebook app and logged into your account. That you wanna do is like private. So as you can see over here in my profile, this is a personal dashboard or professional dashboard, or you can see my profile is professional. So I want to do is as a personal. So you can see over here on the top the three lines or the three dot. You can see over here, you have to do is click on that, and to turn this off professional to turn it in private, so you have to do is turn this off at the third last option over here, personal mode. So once you click on that, it's going to be turn off your professional mode if you have a professional account. So once you have done this, close it and refresh this page. You can see over here this page is converted into personal, or you can see it's now I can do a private it. So you have to do is go to main menu at the bottom right corner and click on settings and privacy. In this you will see settings, click on that and then scroll up. In this you will see over here audience and visibility. So in this you can see over here on the top profile locking as well, profile details, and much more options over here you can do as well. So on the top you will see profile locking. So once you have locked your profile, nobody can see your profile, or you can see over here only your friends can see the post pictures or the photos that you have uploaded or the stories on your profile, so they can only see. So my profile is now logged. So as you can see, you locked your profile. And then let's get back to private our account. So you have to do is again come in your audience and visibility, click on profile detail, and then you have to do is you can simply turn this off, or you can simply do as you can see over here, no public account over here. So you can simply change it. As you can see over here, audience. In this you can see who can see your location over here. So you can do is only me, and then save it, and make sure to save all of these that you have changes on your profile. So with the same birth, you can simply choose it only me, or you can choose it your friends can see this, click on only me and save it, and bunch of options over here that you have applied over here, and then save it to only me. As you can see, I have all of them done, so you can do as well. So come back and you can see over here how people find you on the contact or contact you. You can simply change this as well. So you can see who can send you friend request. You can simply change it to friends of friends, or anyone as you want to do is I want to do is friends of friends only. So click on save, and then who can see your friend list, so you can change it to only me as well, and then click on save. You can save it, and then you have to do is turn this off. If you have turned this on, do you want search engines outside of the Facebook to link your profile? You can simply turn this off to private your account. And as you can see over here, all of the changes that you want to change it from here, you can as well do. So in post, you can as well change this, or you can see over here you can only post to your friends when your profile is locked. So as you can see, this is also changed. You can simply change it for the future. So click on only me and then save, and then comes in stories as well. You can change it from here only friends, and you can customize it, or friends accept, you can change it. So I want to do is as friends, so you can simply change it by your own, and then come back and you can see all of these reels and much more things. You can simply do is to change this as you want to do. So that's it. And also you can see over here who can post on your profile. You can simply change this only me, and you can see over here who can see what other posts on your profile. You can simply do is only me, and then you can change all of these options over here. In audience and visibility, there's gonna be change your all the profile into private account, so you can simply do all of these to only me, and then your account will be private, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.